Hey, Ken Silvestri, Broadway Limited Imports. Today we have three fine projects to show you. We have the beauty, we have the beast, and we have the fun. Let's start with the fun. And that would be the K7 stock car with sound in N scale. And transporting livestock has always been a part of the railroad. So let me tell you how this one works, this car works. It uses track voltage, no silly batteries, and an accelerometer. And as this car rocks, the inhabitants get more agitated. And this is a fun car, and I've always seen people have it on the railroad, and everyone smiles. These fun cars are at dealers right now in time for Christmas, in time for a stocking stuffer gift. And they come in cattle, chicken, and sheep. There's a lot of road names and numbers, so go to the website, broadway-limited.com, and check them out. Okay, now for the beauty segment of our video. And that would be a Paragon 3 Rolling Thunder 484 Great Northern S2 Hybrid in HO. And here she is. And look how beautiful she is. They're stunning. You guys know I love the hybrids. And this has the vestibule on it. And you can kind of see the action on it. It's real pretty. Now one thing about our hybrids, our brass hybrids, is that they run. They have sound. They have smoke. They have DC. They have DCC, and they run. Isn't she a beauty? Now, the Great Northern is a short run, so pre-order it. Delivery is expected the end of January, the beginning of February. See your dealer today. Now it's time for the beast. And that beast would be the Union Pacific Paragon 3 Rolling Thunder die-cast big boy locomotive in HO. Okay, some of the features of the Broadway big boy. It's heavy, means traction. Die-cast boiler, die-cast chassis, die-cast tender, die-cast tender chassis. Lighted number boards. Of course, synchronized smoke, of course, sound, of course, dual load. But one of the cool things that this has is that when you fire up the whistle, you get the impression of steam coming through the whistle itself. Are you ready to rumble? Because the big boy is. Seeing that and hearing it coming down the track is a sight to see and hear. Now the big boys will be delivered in February of 2019, right around the corner. Okay, Christmas Ken signing off for the last time before Christmas, and we hope everyone here at Broadway hopes you have a blessed and pleasant Christmas, and hopefully you found that kid to give that starter set to. He'll never forget it, and neither will you. So once again, from everyone at Broadway, happy railroading and Merry Christmas.